Hello students, good morning. You are welcome on our Sanskaram YouTube channel, and today our topic exercise of chapter number 2. Exercise of chapter number 2. This is the video for non-competition section only. Now we start the objective type question of chapter number 2. Our first question, bacteria are microorganism. Bacteria are microorganism. So our answer of this question is A, unicellular. Bacteria are unicellular microorganism. So answer of first, bacteria are unicellular microorganism. Bacteria are unicellular microorganism. Second, a group microorganism that have the characters of both living and non-living are. एक ऐसा ग्रुप माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स का जिसके अंदर दोनों ही करेक्टर्स हैं, लिविंग थिंग्स के भी और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के भी. सो आवर आंसर इज वायरस ए. वायरस हैव द करेक्टर्स ऑफ बोथ लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. थर्ड, ए लार्ज एल्गी ग्रो इन ऑन. एल्गी कहाँ ग्रो करती हैं? इन और ऑन. इन और ऑन वाटर. इन और ऑन वाटर. मोस्टली एल्गी ग्रो इन वाटर और ऑन वाटर. काज ऑफ मलेरिया. मलेरिया इनमें से किसके कारण होता है? प्रोटोजोआ, बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, फंगी. बेटा हमें पता है मलेरिया की काज ड्यू टू प्लाज्मोडियम एंड प्लाज्मोडियम इज ए प्रोटोजोआ. प्लाज्मोडियम इज ए प्रोटोजोआ. सो आवर आंसर इज ए. काज ऑफ पोलियो इज. पोलियो किसके कारण होगा? तो हमने बचपन में भी पोलियो ड्रॉप्स ली हैं. पोलियो ड्रॉप्स एक वैक्सीन के टाइप में काम करता है. तो वैक्सीन किसके लिए यूज की जाती हैं? वायरल इन्फेक्शन के लिए. किसके लिए? वायरस के लिए. सो आवर आंसर इज सी, वायरस. नेक्स्ट, penicillin is obtained from कहाँ से प्राप्त करते हैं हम पेनिसिलिन? सोचिएगा. पेनिसिलिन इज obtained फ्रॉम पेनिसिलिन. एक पेनिसिलियम फंगस है, वहाँ से हम पेनिसिलिन ऑब्टेन करते हैं. बी, पेनिसिलियम फंगस पे. तो पेनिसिलिन इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम फंगस. ए प्रिपरेशन मेक बाय ए किल और वीकन डिजीज काजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इज कॉल्ड. वो प्रिपरेशन जो माइक्रो डिजीज काजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को या तो मार दे या उन्हें कमज़ोर कर दे. दे आर द एंटीबायोटिक, मेडिसिन, सिरप और वैक्सीन. इनमें से कौन सा एक है? एंटीबायोटिक. Now Phillips. So our first Phillips is, fill in the blanks. Bacteria are generally shape of the bacteria. Bacteria are generally three in shape. For example, they are rod shape, spherical or spiral in shape. Rod shape, spherical or spiral in shape. In another word we can say bacteria are in shape first cocci, COCCI. second bacilli, BACILLI. and spiral in shape. Second, bacteria are autotrophic. Bacteria are autotrophic. Some bacteria are autotrophic. Some bacteria are autotrophic. Sugar can be used for the food preservation. Food preservation. Food preservation. Sugar can be used for the food preservation. Fourth, fungi reproduce, mainly fungus reproduce asexually. Fungus reproduce mainly asexually. My dear students, प्यारे बच्चों, फंगस सेक्सुअली रिप्रोड्यूस करती हैं. बोथ टाइप्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन फंगस में आपको मिलेगा, बट मोस्टली फंगस जो है वो एसेक्सुअली रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं. वायरस ग्रो एंड मल्टीप्लाई इनसाइड द लिविंग सेल्स ऑफ virus grow and multiply inside the living cell of plant and animals. Virus mainly grow in the living cells of plants and animals. Sixth, the making of curd and bread is based on the process of, बेटा इसका आंसर है अपना fermentation. 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 Next, the provide immunity to the body. Vaccine. Answer of seventh, vaccine. The vaccine. Vaccination provide immunity to the body. Eighth, the virus that affect bacteria is called bacteriophage. It's called bacteriophage. So you can find out these easily in their books. Next, true false. Next, first, eating spoiled food items cause food poisoning. Yes, first is true. Second, low temperature inhibits the growth of microorganisms. Yes, it's also true. First true, second true. Third, citrus canker is a viral disease in plants. Citrus canker, no, citrus canker not a viral disease. Answer of third wrong, it's a false. Fourth, dangerous vital disease in animals occur due to contaminated air and water. Fourth true. Fourth true. Fifth, typhoid is a bacteria disease caused by consuming contaminated food and water. Answer of fifth also true. Sixth, prime vector of malaria is Aedes mosquito. No. Sixth false. Seventh, bacteria help in retting of cotton fibers. It's also false. Our body fighting with infectious disease by producing antibodies. Our body fight with infectious disease. Our answer is 8 is true. Our answer 8 is true. Once again you can check it. eating the spoiled food items cause food poisoning. True. First true. Second, low temperature inhibit the growth of microorganisms. Second, also true. Third, citrus canker is a viral disease. No. Third is false. Fourth, renders vital diseases in animal occur due to contaminated air and water. Fourth, true. Fifth, typhoid is a bacterial disease caused by consuming contaminated food and water. Yes, fifth is true. Sixth, prime vector of malaria is Aedes mosquito. Answer sixth is false, because Aedes mosquito is the prime vector of dengue. Seventh, bacteria help in rotting of cotton fiber. It's also false. Our body fights its eighth true. Next, match the followings. Column 1, anthrax, blight disease, bread, bacteriophage, coccus, diatom. Column B, algae, cattle, bacteria, potato, yeast, virus. So anthrax, what is the anthrax? Anthrax is a disease caused in animals. Bacterial disease है and mainly found in cattle. Second, blight disease. Blight disease in potato. Bread. ब्रेड फॉर्मेशन में कौन हेल्प करता है? ईस्ट. कौन हेल्प करता है? ईस्ट. बैक्टीरियोफेज. बैक्टीरियोफेज बेटा वायरस. Anthrax, cattle, blight disease, potato, bread, yeast, bacteriophage, virus. Coccus, bacteria. Diatom, algae. Now one word. The disease causing microorganisms. So answer of first is pathogen. Pathogens. Second, study of microorganism. Microbiology. Third, bacterium that help in the formation of curd. उस बैक्टीरिया का क्या नाम है जो कर्ड फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करता है? लैक्टोबैसिलस. थर्ड का आंसर लैक्टोबैसिलस. फोर्थ, द अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोपिक माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म. Answer of fourth is virus. So my dear students, now you fill the exercise in your book, and our today's video is complete. Thank you so much.